Mukbang. Hey, Popeyes chicken. It's Popeyes. Do some chicken and rice now. I'm pretty tired of foreign. I work and come home, I can't cook, I'm tired. Of all the Popeyes, you know? You know my style, but I don't know. Food have to eat though. They have fast food, slow food, medium food. Food have to eat. Real make man. Big up everybody out there, rice and peas and chicken. What can I say? Yeah, man. Bless it and eat it, yeah. And also, I saw it said, when I come America, I go see a different thing. I tell you, I work today, I'm tired. My daughter go, I want international store, and she bring chicken back. She bring chicken neck. She bring saltfish. I'm just season it up, bag it up and put it in the freezer. I don't know. No more chicken. I will cook. I'm get yellow yam. Just there you go. Yeah, man. I will slap it away. Cook some butter bean and saltfish and dumpling and yam. I eat it, It's not really my style, but I don't know. I have a tough thought. Not good, you know? No. Don't know again. 13 room. 3 king and 10 queen. And the 10 queen, 2 bed in them. So how much bed that must spread? 20 down. And the 3 king at 23 bed. It's not an easy road, but I don't know. You have to survive it, you see it. In America, you never stop work. Any day stop work at homeless. Any day stop work. You just, but you give up. And plus you have to work like a donkey. You have to work. I mean, I tell you, not easy, you know? Not easy, so. So nobody go nothing just thankful, yeah? Yeah, man, come and tell them. You're not easy in the Gideon at all. Not easy, Baba. How come you feel like that Sunday, Popeyes? So that's one of them days, you know? So, Popeyes. Here. With myself and myself. But I have to eat something though. It's not an easy road. Think of glamour and glitter, so them think of better rose. God bless those who come to America and make it without a struggle. I tell you the struggle is real. Yeah, man. Struggle real, yeah. But I don't know me a soldier. And fight it, you know? And fight the good fight of faith down. Mm-hmm. Nobody told me that America would be easy. You have to come and have to come see it for yourself, you see it? Yeah, man. So what body I do? Body alright. Everything up. Everything up and running. Yeah, man. Yeah. Now what's my face, you know? Man, for do, yo. Sure, do it, sure, for do. Sure, is a one of your soldier, you know? It's a coleslaw. Coleslaw, even sister. But, yeah, go on. Hey, me attack. Remember this singer guy named Baby Weird? We love Baby Weird so much with him song. Yeah, man. So I love the song. We sing the song from start to finish. We say, Mama, come check me regular, bring me pants and me shirt and me marina. Mama, him all a sweating in him pants when he made the judge say give him a life sentence. Mama, you should have saw him go long when the judge tried the case and said that him fi hang. Mama, come check me regular, bring me pants and me shirt and me marina. But boy, have me down here at pink propeller, mama. Your mother warn you before certain things start. With a pickaxe and a machete and a file figure family never did want that. Boy, you want live bigger pay gun, you want sling like you a two-gun kid, mama. Come check me regular, bring me pants and me shirt and me marina, mama. Hear murderer ball when him go a courthouse and hear him name call, mama. You should have saw him when the judge tried the case and said that him fi hang. Hey, no stop talk. Life sweet. Life nice, yeah. Yeah, man. Life is what you make it, yeah? Life is what you make it. So, make use of life. Tomorrow promise unto no man. So, live in the life, no man. And live it clean and live it good. So, me I eat ya. Me dead moon. Me dead me couldn't eat this. You me say? Yeah, man. I feel eat, you know. Jack your tell you know. Behind this prison wall. Youths, young men, prison is not a bed of rose. Jack will go in and tell you, I am more. Me must sing to him. Not a bed of rose. You hear that? Not a bed of rose. So, live up my young youths. Live up, man. Place open back, you know. Everywhere open back. And put on the machine, man. And go carry the queen. Go hold on the queen and leg of the machine. Benz, I wish I would have treated me like a Glock. Eh? Some woman wants some loving like on the love on the treat on a Glock. Yeah, man. Lego that, youths, Lego that. Life too sweet. You know, I live to learn all. Hmm? And this on the children. Hmm? No one on the children. Hmm? Come on, man. Come on, youths. Come on, youths and youths. Come on, man. I was listening to song, man. So, big man. Man said, I be a man there, man. I be a man there. Be a man there, man. I be a man there. So, me gone up. When gone? Gone, go look, man. If you come back on ya, so me go up edge water. You wake up, Carol, well, if I turn on, me go. Be Angela, no the bigger sister. Be a man on a jeeps. Be a man on a rising. Jesus God. No, sir. Jail full. Prison full of be a young youth star. Young. Prison full, my youth. Young youth, prison full. Can't hold no more. See, you know the police them not kill you, you know. Police them can't go be a kuno. Yeah. That's why them not kill you, no. Them want to go in and go feel in the field. Behind those prison wall, doing my time. See a lot of faces. Good, the bad, and the indifferent. Prison are a better rose. Prison is not a better rose. No, sir. Mm-mm. No, sir. All them incarcerated. When they go in front of the judge, when you hear the judge say, give him a life sentence, mama. You should have saw him go along when the judge tried the case and said that him fi hang. Mama. Him all have 29 pounds when him hear the judge say, give him a life sentence, mama. Come check me regular. Bring me pants and me shirt and me marina, mama. You should have saw him go along when the judge tried the case and said that. You know, I want to feel on the guy in front of the judge. And the judge said, put him away for 20 years. 20 years. 20 years of your life gone down the drain, my youth. When he said no bail, no nothing. Run concurrently. John Star, John youths, young youths. Church empty. A whole heap of young girl in a church. Church empty. No man no in there. A bare woman in a church. Where the man them there. We are the young men. A uno God call pan, you know. A uno have the strength. Want to make woman take away everything. A woman do everything. A woman do everything. Me see a pregnant woman a mix cement. Woman a tie steel. Come on, man. Come on, young men, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Life too sweet. Life nice. Biscuit and salt. Hey, I'm going to look at history on this. You see this? See that mark? Living bitter. Bad. Right name? Living bitter. Now, eat me take a foreign. You know much for this? How much for? I bought it at a Jamaica store. Over by Newport News. It bad. You see all this me I eat? You say me take this. Before me eat this, remember this not stay nowhere in my system. You take this before you eat. Um, So when I eat, and this move all over in your system, remember this is like a detox. Living bitter. This is the second buckle me I go on. But me no want nothing at all in my system, me just take this. All the chicken I know. Me not take none. Come eat some KFC. I'm gonna take this before me the KFC. KFC can't stay in my system. This work your system, work it. Yeah man, remember me take time like a work and a dance for each work. Have a snap on my bottom and squeeze it. This bad. Mm. 20, I think at $22 for this. $22. This is my second buckle. I don't like to stay out of this. Yeah. This can make me look maga like a stick, but me refuse. If maga it not gonna fit me. I lose a lot of weight. All because of this. You don't want to know what pillar this you know what this make? Ghana. Made in Ghana, product of Ghana. So it's a part of Africa that a beer bush in this. This is how me use. Me never measure it. Any amount me want to take, me just take. When I want to work my system, me literally carry it up here so. So when I take it, I have something for put in my mouth. Like a Wrigley's or something. Bad. I tell you this. Ask me what bad I second buckle this me I go up and literally done. So me have to go up and get another buckle. Yeah. This is my medicine in America. Me na wagga foreign. First I take this and eat anything. Cause when time I eat, everything gone back out. Everything run out back. Everything. Not stay in my system when I take this. Yeah. So me no want outside. Yeah man, so do a little mukbang, you know, and I talk to my young youths them. Me love the young youths them, you know. Hey, I should even know me love you know. Yo, John was star. I wonder if everybody love you like how me love you know. I love the young youths them, you know. See how them dress up, have on them nice clothes. I know so them have to walk and I look behind them. You actually even know. Admire the youths them, man. Yo, it's when me get my fourth girl and no boy. Me Rasta ja. Yo, and so me get him. Remember, me not believe girl them want vex. Most of them me buy a send guy Jamaica for him. Yeah, everything him send pan him phone and say buy it, me buy it. As long as me can reach it, buy it, me I buy it. Love see the young youth them when them dress up, you know, and put themselves together and look handsome and them ear cut on, you know, them have them little top up here so on, you know. Yeah, me not too endorse the earring because me a Christian, me not too like the earring. But you can't tell them how to do it, but me I tell when the young youth them dress up, man, I know say them clean. You know, them clean up, they not fear. Say I want them whatever. You understand? Love the young youth when them clean and then step out. And more time I stay so me I look and me I say, you know, I saw the youths them, you know, just free up, man. Now fear say you can't go this, you can't go this, so you can't, you feel live your life and not, without enjoyment. You can't live your life without enjoyment. They say all work and no play make jala dull boy. So you say all who incarcerated and say no time up, we just come from a different meds. You see me I say? Yeah man, wish every man could have linked me. I mean them whole of reason and get the whole of deep reasoning. Because sometimes just the devil drown out, you know. Yeah man, sometimes just the devil drown out and do wrongs. Can't you now listen to the still voice. You see me I say? John Star, young youths, love you know. Yeah, remember, Auntie Sharon, love you know. Yeah. So no just hold it down, hold it down. Cause the gun thing, pretty at all. Cause I've been there. My wallet, you know? Oh, they never know. Yeah, man. Wallet. Yeah, man. Thugs just pass and say, hold it, Sharon. I'm just hold it. I'm never fire it, though. Yeah. Hold it. But that I never my choice. You see me, I say? That I never my choice. Because I know it's a destruction. You see it? Yeah, man. I fight, I war without them something there. So, glad. I'm glad that I am alive for such a time like this. You see it? Yeah, man. So me just I tell the young youths them, man, live up, man, live up. You see me I say, live on a life, man. Life sweet, you know. Both when you can't be all the little girlfriend and you not can all man not got care woman got move you again. Eh? Man not care woman got move you again. Eh? Man not them not care lady go sit them down and eat ice cream and carry them back home. No sir. Them something not work again. Used to go carryable. Yes, I Sunday evening dress up and gone a carryable. And then they want in Regal. From a Regal a carryable there across the road. Yeah. And when she over and we are go home, straight to home we are go. What me I tell them enjoy life. You think I joke? Yeah man, me enjoy the whole of my childhood. The whole of my teenage life, me enjoy it. If me tell us I'm gonna enjoy it, I lie me I tell. Me enjoy the whole of it. Yeah man. Me go through it and me enjoy it. And see me lick down half a century and I get up way. see me yeah man, and me man. I see one daughter this. You see it? Life nice here, young youth. Yeah man, life sweet. So, who can abscond from it, just abscond from it. Just duck it out. You see me I say? Yeah man. You can't eat no more cause salt. But anyway, likes, comment, subscribe and share. I'm just have a little mukbang and talk to the young youths them. Cause I love them, Yeah man. Love them man. Wish them could have give them anything they want. And just make them just cool. Yeah man. Cause I can't help the whole Jamaica. Can't help the whole Jamaica. I want to reach some youths not too far gone, Yeah man. So link up. Auntie Sharon Talk Show TV. See this? So tomorrow me have this. But I can't call it work. Yeah. Real maids. You see it? Data bite give me. Follow Carl, you see? I have to duck her out more time. Come pick me up at work. Okay, I'm got Popeyes. I want to tell you, I love my kids them. You should never know, I love my kids them, Never know them could have some pretty kids. I'm pretty, And they ambitious. Yeah, man. My kids they ambitious bad. Big daughter buy her car. She buy her land. Yeah, man. And my next little daughter, I come sharp. I'm gonna give them $1. Cause them a work. Them know what them want. You see me I say? Them know what them want. I'm just here to, I'm a backup for them. Yeah. Me have to turn back up. Cause them a do them thing. You see me I say? Yeah man. Kids them a do them thing. Me love them. And boy, me want hey, cover Jesus. Hey, young youths. Bless up on yourself here. Yeah man. Who know me and who don't know me? Auntie Sharon this. Yeah man. Me say no few drop like fly. I said far me I come from, to all my ears. You know much man dead? You know much man dead? You what you even know? You know much man? When me know, all me go up and come up. Hmm? And whole of them dead. When me say, the whole of them who me know dead. You what? You about a million man when me know dead from me death on earth. You can't fight crime. Crime enough for uno. Crime for police and soldier. Lego that. You can't fight crime. Crime just a put in a prison and put in a 6 foot under. A man a carry no about 6 man bringing your back. You live life, man. And put on the old dirty iron. We not going away. Can our deadly feet. You hear me, I say? Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Young youths. I love one here. Put on that. I enjoy life, because life dead for live. You see it? Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself here. This is yet to come. And Sean Talk Show TV. Subscribe, man. Like the video. Tell me something about the video. Comment. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself. One more day upon the wicked day. You see it? I pray for New Year. Pray for the young youths them. We're not too far gone. So uno start, uno take it up. Don't take it up again. When them come, they tell them so I want that a destruction. Yeah. Bless upon yourself.